Hello guys, ito yung account natin sa Farm77. Mag-tutorial tayo paano mag-withdraw. Let's go. Punta tayo sa farm. Ito yun, ordinary land ko. Harvest muna tayo. Okay. Then taniman natin. Packs. 10 pesos lang bawat land dito guys, at saka 5 pesos lang yung seed niya itanim. Tapos na din. Ito yung daily task at weekly task natin. Then try natin mag-withdraw. May withdrawable tayong 148 guys. Ito yung withdrawal record ko. 100 lang po minimum dito guys. Cash in at cash out. Try natin 140. Done. Withdraw. Okay, pasok na doon sa withdrawal record natin. Processing na. Papasok na yan mamaya. Madali lang ma-approve yan. Okay, may balance pa tayo. 240.